Hi, I'm Kevin Broadwick. I'm the founder of Think Baby and Think Sport. We created the companies back in 2006 to address the growing concern of chemicals that were coming out of consumer products. Since then, we've launched everything from baby bottles all the way out to sun care. And so all of our focus, again, is making sure that things are safe. I want to take a moment and share a little information on our Think Baby sunscreen. It was the first sunscreen to pass Whole Foods premium care requirements and has been rated 1 on EWG's Skin Deep database from 2010 all the way to 2014 across the categories baby, beach, and sport. Specifically, it has the highest SPF that you can now legally state. It is the broadest spectrum for UVA and UVB. UVB is what gives you the burn, unfortunately, and UVA is what causes the more serious kinds of skin cancer. And then it also has the highest level of water resistance that you can obtain, and we don't use petroleum for that. We actually use a tree sap resin, so we have a natural way, a mechanism of providing water resistance. We also don't use PABA, parabens, phthalates, 1,4-dioxane, and we do not use nanoparticles, which are ultrafine particles which have the potential for getting into your bloodstream. The Think Baby line, also we have a Think Sport Kids version and we have an adult version. The base formulas are identical, and it is merely the scent that we use to mask the smell of zinc oxide. So for example, in the Think Baby version we use papaya, and in the Think Sport version we use currant and grapefruit. So I shared a little bit about what makes our sunscreen effective, but I also mentioned in that conversation that we use 20% level of zinc. And this usually begs the question, is it going to make me look all ghostly white? Am I going to look like the white lifeguard nose syndrome? And so I'm going to apply a little bit to give you some visibility into that. And so you'll see quite quickly how easily it goes in, and it will also dry very quickly and it won't be sticky and goopy. We have 3 versions of the sunscreen. We have a baby version, a kids version, and an adult version, but they're all based off of the same safe formula. For more information on sunscreen,